Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting a new vlog. I feel like every time I come on here and I talk to y'all, I look a mess. One day I'm gonna come correct and look halfway decent when I start the video. But anyway, today is March 2nd. It's a new month. We have new goals. We have, I don't know, just new intentions, new energy, new vibes, out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, so I'm working, of course, per usual, what's new. So today when I get off, Max has his grooming appointment today at 6 o'clock. So we're going to do that and I'll take y'all with me. I don't know how interesting that's going to be, but yeah, he has his grooming appointment, so we're going to do that. And then after his appointment, because Target and Five Below is right in the same plaza and Starbucks, and I want coffee. So I'm probably going to go to Starbucks because I've been loving the white chocolate mocha, iced white chocolate mocha with pistachio cream cold foam is so good. So I'll probably get one of those more than likely. I kind of want to go to Target too, but there's no point of wasting money. I don't need anything, to be honest. But who knows? We'll probably stop in just because. But yeah, I will come back to y'all when we get to PetSmart. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today is Friday, March 3rd, 2023. About to make me some coffee, some Folgers. About to make me some coffee. I have a new creamer that I got from Myers that I'm going to try today. It is the oatmeal cookie. 1 second. This is the creamer right here. The Silk Oatmeal Cookie Oat Creamer, non-dairy. This is the creamer that I'm going to be trying in my coffee today. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. I had this creamer before and it was the vanilla and it's just good. Like, oat creamer is so much better than like almond milk based creamer. It's just like thicker and like creamier and like smoother. It gives you that real, like, if you was to go to like Starbucks, it gives you that real like Starbucks taste, and I like that. So that's what we're doing today. Right now, get my coffee ready. Of course, I'm about to clock in from work for work pretty soon. You all know by now that I work from home. If you don't, I work from home. Hence, that's why I got this bonnet on. Hence, that's why I look the way I look. Don't nobody see me. I don't see nobody. It's a perfect job. So, but yes, so that's what's on the agenda. I'm about to make my coffee, take my women's vitamins. These are the vitamins I take. These ones, and I just take 2 a day. And fill my water bottle up with water. And drink water all day in between, you know, the other stuff. And that's that. Hey y'all, good morning. Can y'all see me? Good morning. Today is Saturday, March 4th. It's March 4th already. Like, this month is doing some stuff. We're about to get into some skincare. I just got out the shower. My homegirls are about to come over. We're about to just chill and you know, just hang out. So I got some new stuff. I ordered some stuff off Amazon. Some stuff you already seen, but I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Should focus on. There we go. I got this. This is a hydrating gel cleanser, and it has hyaluronic acid. So I got this. This is what we're going to wash our face with this morning. I also got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. So this is moisturizer basically. And then I have, this is just a little sample of the First Aid Beauty 10% vitamin C brightening serum. So we're going to use this also. It's just a little sample. I ordered some stuff from Ulta. And you know, if you have like rewards and stuff, it's not focusing, but it's the First Aid Beauty vitamin C serum. You know, if you have like rewards and stuff with or an Ulta account, you know, they'll give you like freebies, you know, like how Sephora does. Speaking of Sephora, I have a, we're just gonna do one pump of this. Yeah, we're just gonna do one pump. I have, take my eyes off. Ooh.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
This is what my face is looking like. I'm gonna put on my eyes so I can see y'all. You guys, I'm really thinking about, I'll just be hopping from subject to subject. But and that's my skincare for the morning. We're done. That's it. Put my stuff back in my little skincare drawer. I gotta put on my deodorant. But I'm really considering getting LASIK. I'm tired of wearing glasses. I'm just over it. I've been wearing glasses for 24 years, guys. I'm 30. I've been wearing glasses ever since I was 6 years old. That's 24. Yeah. And I'm over it. Like I wanna wake up without having to so definitely considering LASIK, when in the past I was against it, but now I'm actually considering it because like I just want to wake up and just be able to see, you know. Somebody's dinging me. But yeah, so we did skincare. And I'm about to do just a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna just be in the house all day basically until tonight possibly. So we're just about to do, I said skincare. We're about to do a little bit of makeup, little 1-2, and I'm just about to get dressed. And yeah, that'll be that. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I flexi rotted my hair. I'm all dressed. I got a little romper on for Forever 21. I'm just in the house today, so, but I wanted to do a little 1-2. I did a little bit of light makeup. Got my little earrings in, my bestie got me. And this is the hair. Like I said, I flexi rotted it. And I took it out, and this is how the curls look. These ones in the back is low. We ain't gonna worry about that. But I just want to pop back. Last time I checked in with y'all, we was doing skincare. So here we are.
Over here acting hurt because I said we will see you, nigga. You were the one that said you gonna be busy. I mean, I'm gonna busy too, but.
Hey y'all. So y'all are in the steering wheel like always. And this is, let me move y'all because I know I'm gonna fall. Ooh. And this is hair, and this is, oh my goodness. This is yesterday's hair. It was cool in the house, but now it's tripping. So this is yesterday's hair from when I took out the flexi rods. I did not flexi rod it or anything. I just threw my bonnet on, and I probably shouldn't have. But anyway, look at this skin. Y'all, my skin looks so good. I'm loving all my little new products that I got. Loving it. But right now we're in the car, obviously. We're about to go to Giant Eagle and get some wine. I'm cooking for my friends today. And I'm just making soul food. I'm making ribs. I'm making my ribs in the oven. I'm making baked chicken also. And it's going to be barbecue. I'm making mac and cheese. I make fire ass mac and cheese. So I'm making mac and cheese, baked beans, and we need a green. So I'll probably get a can of Glory greens because I know how to pick real greens and pull the stems off and cut them and all of that. I do, but I'm not about to do that. It's about to be a real easy, filling, good Sunday dinner. That's what it's about to be. So that's what I'm about to do. Go to Giant Eagle, get wine. I gotta fill up my tank because I gotta go to Canton today and get the boys. Because, you know, tomorrow's Sunday. They got to go back to school and stuff. Well, Denver doesn't have school, but Danny has school. So I'm going to get the boys. But Giant Eagle, gas. Then I'm going to Starbucks. And I got to get a venti white chocolate mocha. Venti iced white chocolate mocha with pistachio cream cold foam. It's so fire. Y'all got to try it. And I'll probably get a breakfast sandwich, since I'm not about to make breakfast, since I'm about to cook this big old nice dinner. So yeah, after Starbucks, I gotta go to like Family Dollar or whatever, or Dollar General, and just get some aluminum pans so I can put the ribs in and put them in the oven. I don't have a pan that's like big enough or deep enough to put the ribs in the oven, so I'm just go get some of the like aluminum throwaway pans. Y'all know the pans we be having for Thanksgiving and shit like that. I'm about to get a couple of those to cook the food in and stuff. And then I'm coming back home and I'm gonna sit down. So I probably really won't record. I might record me like in a dollar store, but Giant Eagle gonna be quick. Starbucks is gonna be quick. So I'll pick y'all up when I pick y'all up. Hey y'all. I know y'all are so tired of seeing me look crazy, but I'm on my break. Eating pineapple. So good. But, for once I'm not ashy. We got a new couch. It came today. So I'm about to show y'all the new couch.